Ashley with Dancing in the Kitchen, and we are back with another segment from our Eat the Rainbow with Dr. Iris series. Hi Iris, how are you today?
I'm great, thank you. So happy to be here.
Amazing. If you haven't checked out the first 2 episodes that we did with Dr. Iris, we are doing a series on eating the rainbow, getting all that nutrition from all those colorful phytonutrients. And Dr. Iris is a chiropractor in Los Angeles. We are actually at her home in Ogden Valley, Utah, a very healing, beautiful place. And today, Dr. Iris has a recipe for us that is a delicious dinner dish. Why don't you tell us what it is?
Okay, so going with the rainbow theme, we wanted to have something hearty for the dinner. And so we chose to make some wild rice, which is super nutritious for you because you're actually getting a lot of minerals and fiber.
And if I remember correctly, wild rice is kind of a misnomer, right? It's not actually a rice, it's a seed.
Yeah, because rice is usually just the starchy part, so there's more nutrition and fiber, which is great for the gut and our brain, right? Our second brain. And then we're going to have a curry, and we're making the curry. It's a green curry with coconut. We are adding tons of hearty vegetables. Of course, we're implementing the rainbow. We have all kinds of peppers and broccoli and carrots, onion, sweet potatoes. We use the purple sweet potatoes to bring more color and sweetness as well. We love it. It's a really good dish.
Amazing. And are there any mood boosting benefits to this, or any particular details that you want to speak to in terms of why you chose these particular ingredients or this particular dish?
Yes, a lot of the ingredients with the spices of curries are very antioxidant and help reduce inflammation in the body. Also, it tastes delicious. It feels like a warm hug from a mother. You know, it just feels nice and grounding with all the spice and the root vegetables, the creaminess of the coconut. We also add some lime to bring all the flavor together. We're using mineral salts like Celtic sea salt and red mint salt. We actually use a combination of both salts because they have microminerals, which our bodies are mostly lacking. And that's because even if we eat all organically, our soils are just been over-farmed and we have way fewer minerals, and minerals are super important for carrying nutrients through our body.
Yeah, definitely, even for neurotransmission, it's like potassium and sodium and chloride that is contributing to those electrical impulses moving between the neurons.
Yes.
So totally, like electrolytes, when you talk about electrolytes, that is like those mineral salts.
Yes, and also we have cilantro and parsley in our curry, and those are very good for detoxing heavy metals and toxins from the system. So the more of the heavy metals we get out, then the better our
electrochemical messaging system.
Electrochemical systems work.
Yeah.
So
I really love the point you brought up about how the curry feels like just like a warm hug. I don't think we talk about that enough on the show because, you know, we're often talking about the nutrition and the molecular biology, the neurochemistry of things, but that component of like nurturing and healing and love that goes into the food and that I see you prepare food with is so important for mental health and for mood, because we need that nurturing and sort of that emotional care in order to feel well. And that it's not just scientific, but also that emotional, social love energy that helps us to feel healed and restored. So,
yeah, absolutely. You know, people pray over their food and say that it changes the structure of the food. And if we put love behind our food and then we eat that love, it just makes sense that it's going to bring more of the energy into our bodies. And cooking for me is actually meditative and helps me to calm my mind and reduce anxiety. And I just think it's the best thing to give people food that I've made with love and with an intention. Just the whole process of thinking about what to make, going to the store, the farmer's market, and getting it all, and then giving it to your family and your friends is like one of the most rewarding things that I feel.
Yeah, I definitely relate to that. I feel the same way. And then also when we're like dancing and having fun in the kitchen, it's like a way to lift our spirits.
We did a lot of dancing, but it was kind of
in and out.
Like in and out.
Yeah. Well, on that note, let's get cooking, and we'll see you back here in a little bit with our delicious curry, courtesy of Dr. Iris.
1 can of coconut milk, whole fat coconut milk. We're gonna add half of a lime, the juice of a half a lime. Some wild rice, organic wild rice. Perfect texture. Japanese sweet potato. This is why I add a little less sugar than what I normally do. But look how pretty. All these colors, the rainbow. Taste the rainbow with Dr. Iris. So we'll let that simmer for like 10-15 minutes, and then we can go ahead and dish it up.
Well, guys, we hope you enjoyed that curry. I know I did. It was so hearty and delicious. I was like over here like, I'm sorry, I'm busy. This is what I'm going to be doing for the next 20 minutes, just eating and enjoying this curry.
What was your favorite part about it?
I loved the textures. Like, I loved the sort of crunchiness of the wild rice, and then like the warm and sort of savory and sweet mixture with the curry. You know, you get the different textures with the different vegetables and the little bursts of flavor. So what was your favorite part?
Actually, my favorite part was watching you enjoy it so much. It just makes my heart smile.
I was like, we're going to be on break because Ashley's going to be eating the curry.
Yes.
Amazing. Well, you are an amazing cook. You're an amazing human, and I am so grateful to have had you on for the Eat the Rainbow segments.
Thank you.
Yes.
It takes one to know one.
Thank you. And again, guys, if you have questions for Dr. Iris, if you have questions for us, if you'd like to see more of this content, let us know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, buy the merch, support the show, and tune in next time for another episode of Dancing in the Kitchen. Thanks again, Iris.
Thank you.